All right, so we have a control box. We're gonna take this apart. About 20 minutes?
Yeah, it should be about 20 minutes.
Beautiful. I love it. We're gonna see start to finish. So going from this wire, we're gonna connect this thing here.
We're going to convert it from a toggle to a regular
Nice.
control.
Yeah, the customer's definitely gonna like this thing better. It's not gonna be flopping around, especially with the bandsaw getting caught right here.
Yeah,
It's not safe.
Patrick and I aren't particularly fond of those things.
There's your factory tape. That means nobody messed with it. With the outlet, anyway. So we have 4 screws. What size is that head?
1032.
1032. There it is. So the back panel stays the same, right?
Yep. Everything else will stay the same. The outlet, I don't even have to unwire the outlet.
Beautiful. The outlet stays, that stays. This is going to take less than 20 minutes.
Yeah, I can probably get it out of here in less than 20 minutes.
I don't want to burn up my phone memory.
Yeah. You're right.
So this is a real life scenario where you take what you have and upgrade. Holding it from the bottom so it can.
It's got a nylock nut on the back.
Oh, and there it is. It fell right here. We'll save that. There it is. So basically, you already have all the wires here.
Yep.
You don't need this harness.
Correct. Everything that wires into the back of the here.
It's
all these. We bypass this.
Yep.
It wires to these, and then everything
There it
in
is.
here is
So
set up pretty
same
much
thing,
like
yeah.
this.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, all I got to do is just disconnect that and wire everything to this panel.
Okay, and it helps to know where all this stuff goes by heart.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Yeah.
I wouldn't know. I would need a diagram. But since you build these things, you'll know exactly where the orange one goes, for example.
Yep.
So you're cleaning up the wires, making them a little bit shorter.
Yeah, because you don't need so much of it to go into the contact.
Yeah, one roll of fiber and a side at the bottom. And call them and let them know, there's really not enough coil here to adjust it. So you're going to set it up with our coil. He's going to get charged per pound, and then we'll finish up with his coil, make sure it's running straight. That's easy.
All right, so this is the part where I need to know what goes where. I hope you don't mind me holding the light.
No, not at all. Let's do some of his orange water here.
Hopefully it helps. So yeah, they've been squashed many times.
Yeah.
Look at that. So you're building a jumper.
Yeah, I'm just stealing a little bit of the wire from it.
And the jumper goes right there. Is that our stop?
No. Yeah, that's our stop button.
That's our stop button.
So this is the wire. This is the jumper that we have on the back of our panels. This will wire from here up to here and tie in with this orange.
Perfect. So it helps to have a panel ready to go.
Yeah,
The
usually
complete
we
panel.
have a bunch of them set up, so we don't have to mess with anything.
Charge per pound for the coil, and then we'll finish it up with the remaining coil that you have to run and give you your coil.
There it is. So what is this panel called? If you're doing the conversion from toggle,
It goes from the dongle.
dongle,
Yeah, I'm changing it from a dongle to a regular control panel.
regular control panel.
Yep.
So you just get the whole plate assembly.
Mm-hmm.
And you can go vice versa, I guess. But basically torquing it down with a screwdriver, making sure it's all tight.
Yep, so nothing pulls out on me.
We're at 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
7 minutes. This is uncut video, so it is super accurate. Okay. Purple, brown, and we got one more wire. Bam. Blue, purple, brown. That's for our start, stop buttons, looks like. Perfect. Ready to put it back in there. So why do you guys put tape? Or just to keep it?
Yeah, I used to do this when I was a contractor too, just to
Yeah.
keep anything bare from touching, or if there's a.
Yeah.
Sometimes you'll get like a stray wire or
Yep,
something
or a
out
piece
there.
of coil shaving or something.
Right, something like this will get in there.
Yep,
and it'll-
yep.
So we just try to do it to avoid it, just a precautionary thing.
Yeah, that's nice. Any loose wire.
Yeah.
There it goes. Taping the outlet. Now, if they wanted to, they could put a outlet in here with a little light or USB. That's interchangeable, no problem.
Yeah, it's just like a regular household wire, or regular
Yep,
household
yep.
outlet.
Now, would it make a difference if it had like a GFI switch on it, or not necessary?
I don't think it's not really necessary for it, considering the fact that the system's fused with that fuse in the back. That should keep it from shorting anything out, is the fuse back there.
All right, so we're at 9 minutes, and we're putting the box back into its spot here. Okay, so that's what fuses the two boxes together, is that? Got it. And that's the 330 seconds.
1032. Yeah.
1032's Allen, basically. So you get those 4 installed. Very nice. Very professional. KWM service. Factory certified. You got it done in less than 12 minutes.
Less than 12?
11 minutes, sir.
All right.
That's professional KWM service right there. All done. Wow. Professional.